Okay, what's up, guys? I got a new battery for my car, which I traded for my friend, and now I'm gonna be doing a video showing you how fast it goes. Okay? Here it goes. I'm excited. Okay. Ready? Go. Damn, that goes fast. Holy shit. Oh my god. Goes fast. Okay. Okay, there we go. You like that? Boom, boom, boom. Yes. Okay, I was expecting more, but it actually goes way faster. That was a good deal that I did with my friend. I traded my, I don't know, it was like 5.V for what? He actually gave me this too, the charger, new battery charger. So, now, I am awesome. Okay, thank you for seeing my video, and if you think my car goes pretty fast, like and subscribe, please.